If it is one tick binary, 0. Okay, y equal to what? A. Or otherwise, if it is one tick binary, 1. Which one is connected? Sorry, y equal to b. Okay, y equal to b. And what is the default case? Default. So what is the default case? Here I am writing the default case. Default is y equal to one tick binary x. Y equal to one tick binary x. Okay, one tick binary x. End case. End case. End case. End. End case. End. Okay, begin and end. This begin is there now. I need to end this. Save this. Okay, and elaborate the design. We are getting this one schematic. Okay, just you check this in the case statement. Suppose if I am not using default, whether you are getting the output or not. Just check this out of date. 1 second. Close this and elaborate the design. We are getting the output, but sometimes default statement should be there. Otherwise, it will infer as a latch. Okay, that is this should be there for the case statement. Okay, otherwise it will take as latch. Okay, so that is conditional statements. And next you have looping statements. Okay, what are the looping statements? You have so looping statements. You first you have for loop. Okay, while loop. Okay, while loop. What is while loop? Looping statements. Looping statements. First while loop. Okay, while loop. I'll write the code. You can practice here. Practice in the Vivado. So what is the syntax like? While condition. While condition. Okay, begin. Okay, code to repeat while till while condition is true. Code to repeat while condition is true, till till while condition is true. Okay, end. This is while. Okay, so if you see one example for while condition, so if you see while, so I am declaring one integer I, and I equal to 0, while I less than 10, begin, less than 10 begin, dollar display I equal to percentage d comma I. Okay, comma I, and I equal to I plus 1 and end. Okay, so this will execute from 0 to 9. Okay, so this will execute from 0 to 9. Okay, 1 second.